legendary emperor and the second of 4 sons of Dashrath. His mother was Kaikai and he was the younger brother of Ram. The two were half-brothers. The Hindu doctrine was birthed as a symbol of dharma and idealism. Prince Ram was the eldest of 4 sons and was to become king when his father retired from ruling. His stepmother, however, wanted to see her son Bharat become king. Remembering that the king had once promised to grant her any 2 wishes she desired, she demanded that Ram be banished and Bharat be crowned. The king had to keep his word to his wife and ordered Ram's banishment. Ram accepted the decree or order unquestioningly. When Sita, Ram's wife, heard Ram was going to be banished, she begged to accompany him to his forest retreat. Ram agreed, and Ram, Sita, and his brother Lakshman all went to the forest. When Bharat learned what his mother had done, he sought Ram in the forest. "The eldest must rule," he reminded Ram. "Please come back and claim your rightful place as king," said Bharat. Ram refused to go against his father's command, so Bharat took his brother's sandals and said, "I shall place these sandals on the throne as symbols of your authority. I shall only rule as a regent in your place, and each day I shall put my offerings at the feet of my Lord. When the 14 years of banishment are over, I shall joyously return the kingdom to you." Ram was very impressed with Bharat's selflessness, and this shows how Bharat was very ideal and followed the principles of cosmic order.